Hey, it's your girl, Kawaii Taco. Today, we're gonna be making one of these Popin Cookin candy sets. I was at Daiso the other day and I had never seen this exact set before, so I'm pretty excited. As you can see, there's ramen, there's like a little mango pudding, gyoza, and spring roll. So let's put it together. I don't think it'll be tasty, but it will be fun. So looks like I'm supposed to open it this way. And when you open it, it looks like we're gonna be using the plastic that it's in. It looks like kind of a tray with some plates. Oh yeah, and there's like little chopsticks here. How cute! So I should get scissors. I'll be back. Alrighty, let's take a look at these instructions. I grabbed some water, because I know we'll be needing that. Okay, first make the mango pudding. Add water to the cup until it's half full. Add powder from the orange packet. Mix. It will become firm in 10 minutes. I'd say that's about half. Contents of orange packet. And stir it up. Okay. Oh, okay. So it looks like I'm supposed to cut out all of these different sections. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. So I have this little bowl here, and this one, and then our like egg and what's it called? Naruto, and then this for the gyoza. Step 2, make ramen toppings, boiled egg and Naruto. Pour water up to the line in the star tray. Add powder from the blue packet. Mix until thick. Alrighty, and we're gonna stir that up. Ooh, that is full. Pretty thick and creamy. Ooh, ooh. Hopefully that's the texture I'm looking for. Tear off 2 pieces of the dough and fill the Naruto/egg molds. And then it's given me a motion like to roll it and then stick it on there. So I will roll my little dough. Okay. Squish and form egg. They're pretty shallow molds, so I'm hoping that they like actually come out. I don't know. Okay, and then I'm gonna divide the rest of this dough into 4 balls, and then I have to spread it out to be this size. Dragon tails, making balls, making balls. Okay. One is too small. Sure. Alright, and we're gonna squish, 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 and it's very interesting consistency. It's very bouncy and mushy at the same time. That's a correct size. And then we're gonna put it on the gyoza mold and push it down to make the hollow spaces. Okay, and we're filling both sides with the contents of this red packet. Oh, the little sprinkles. I don't know how much I'm supposed to put in. Sure. I don't know. But that's what it looks like. Ooh. And then I'm gonna press it together. Squeeze! To make a little guy. A little guy. I guess I can get rid of this excess. Look at him. And let's do it again. I won't squeeze as hard this time because I think this like excess that I like peeled off kind of took off the like outer crinkle part. I didn't mean to. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay. Dun dun dun. And it looks like we're using the same packet for the spring rolls. So we're just gonna put some in here. I still have so much more. I don't know how much I was supposed to use. Oh well. I'll have extra sprinkles, that's okay. And we'll roll it up. Mine are ugly. I should have smoothed out the sides with like a knife or something, because mine just look so wrecked. But that's okay. Here are my little babies. Boop. Time to make ramen. Pour water up to the line. Add powder from the brown packet and mix. I don't know what that smells like. It kind of smells like I am making a gingerbread house, but it doesn't necessarily smell like gingerbread. I don't know. And we'll mix it together. Okay, broth is mixed. Okay, now it smells like root beer. It's root beer. We're using this tray again. We're filling the water up to the line. And we're pouring in the noodle powder. And we start. Ooh, yeah. It's thick, but not that dense, so how it's gonna make a noodle shape and stay, I don't know. Toothpick time. And I'm supposed to poke a hole in this bag. It's my squeezing bag. That's what it say. So, not my words. Yours. Popin Cookin. Boop. Poked a hole. Did it. We are filling this up with noodle mixture. Tuna noodle. Okay. And I'm supposed to twist this. And we're gonna squeeze out some noodles. Oh. Well, very thin. Okay, and I'm supposed to put some of this in the hollow part of the egg. Peel these little babies back. Okay, cool. So, I don't know if you can even tell. See? So I'm just gonna outline them and get rid of their corners. I'll be back. Beautiful little egg. And the naruto. Fish cakey. Beautiful. Alright, and then I'm supposed to fill in this egg. Alrighty, I think I'm done. So I'll go ahead and put everything together. We'll take a good look at it, and then we'll taste it. Okay, and we have done it. So it shows on the box that the little Naruto thing has like pink, but there was no pink to add to it. But this is our little noodle soup. The pudding didn't come out very well. It was very stuck inside. The top looks nice, but the corners are terrible. And our poor little spring rolls. They're so ugly. This guy's good. He cute. But yeah, there we go. Okay, let's try these. I guess I'll try this little dumpling. It's very bouncy. It seems like a consistency I'm not gonna enjoy. But here we go. The like white part is just chewy, doesn't really taste like anything. The sprinkles are just a little bit sour. I don't know, sour. Maybe like Smarties. It's not awful. Okay, let's try this pudding. This poor, oh, it's sticky. It looks so gross. It doesn't taste bad. It tastes like mangoes. It tastes delicious. That consistency is like a little bit grainy, so you like feel it against your tongue. It's like thick, mushy, but grainy all at the same time. And my mouth can't handle that. Okay. Ramen time. Ooh, it just smells like soda. Okay. No. No. Oh, shoot. What a terrible texture. It was like sandpaper sucking into my mouth and then breaking apart. Oh my god, it's not okay. Not okay. It did taste like soda, so that was fine. Just a terrible mouthfeel. I recommend doing it for fun, not for the pleasure of eating. You can still eat it, obviously. But I hope you enjoyed yourself. And if you liked that, then go ahead and give this video a like. You can also subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Come here, little sprinkles.